thing, get by him. That talk shit, now them the bitches I stuck for.
Get your Hendrix. Days love, I got you, baby. You got what I want. You got what I want.
Okay, so this the fit. Don't mind my room, y'all. This is my little wig stand. But this is the fit. I got my UGG jacket on. A little bodysuit. I just ate, so don't mind the pudge. And then my moon boots. Let me show y'all on this mirror. It's bad lighting, but you know, yeah. I gotta get some better lighting in here. But the booty is bootying. On my way to go ice skating with Joy. Y'all, I wanted to show y'all my skin because I just did like a cute little skin routine in the shower. I'm not really one of them girls yet to be doing all the shower aesthetics and stuff. I'm gonna get there, but the skin is skinning. I just had a breakout not too long ago because hopefully my period coming, child. Because anything that come on the chin, my esthetician told me the chin or cheek or around your mouth area is hormonal. So let's just pray and say the period is on its way. But I'm gonna be headed towards the city. Now I'm about to drive to the city and meet up with Joy, and we're gonna go to the skate rink. Period. I don't know why I ain't brought no socks. Just not thinking clearly.
That's the shit Artie did just so she didn't have to skate.
Yes, I forget. That's exactly what she did. I forget. Oh, Lord. It's freezing, Jesus. If I fall, I'm sitting it out. Crazy. You excited? But wait, no, did y'all see I just caught this whole domestic on my camera? Anyway.
What we doing?
Getting some socks because of course I will forget to wear socks to go ice skating. Only me.
Girl, these ain't no real socks.
What I need?
These is fucking footies.
I need the things.
You finna need a sock. Okay.
And some of these.
Oh, yes. Yeah. That's what you need.
This is a lock of 53. It's stinking here.
Why is it already stinking? Oh my goodness! It already stink! Oh my!
She and I skates.
Oh my God, Lauren, that's the best part. That's the whole part. What you mean? Come on. Alright. You ready to get on now?
I need the little thing.
Man, come on.
Yeah, we going.
She ain't got it.
Let me see you twirl. Get it, Joy. Get it.
Just like she's not always shy. Bitch bad. city come
Come on, girl, you gotta talk to some people. Yeah, this is your first experience. No handles. Ooh, check me out. Wait. Yeah, take the glove.
Cinderella slippers. I love them. You can't go. Look. Girl, we gotta get close.
I just wanted to get a picture of y'all shoes. They are so nice. Yes, with the bag. Yes, I got it. Those look really.
That's where I got mine.
Tell them about your skate experience.
It was cute. It was nice. I mean, it was what it was.
It looks dirty right here. Hold on.
I'm still skating.
It feels like it, don't it? Well,
Oh yeah, it's raw. Hold on.
Our city way better than y'all. Dang it, dang. That raw.
Ain't no views like it. That's why I don't understand why we ain't got no real vloggers and influencers in Chicago, because the views in the city's raw. Like what?
Yeah. Our shit
What?
way better than y'all.
What?
I don't know where y'all from, but our shit way better than y'all.
Bitches be from Wisconsin and shit. Let me die.
Too low to the mall, with a couple capos and 100 fucking dimes. Color slaughter gang, you get your shit popped. Drago with a drum, this bitch ain't never go stop. He on that 9-4 shit, slaughter gang. He on that 9-4 shit, slaughter gang shit, brain stole shit. It's the mall, bitch. You ain't got mall ties, you just on ID. Pull up with a stick, and these pussy getting hit. Pull up with a stick. Let it hit, pull up with the stick. Let it hit, pull up with the stick. Let it hit, pull up with the stick. Let it hit.
Auto adjustment.
They got spicy tuna, which is what I ate yesterday.
You made it.
Oh my gosh, I just came with a bunch of girls on me. It look like I just came in. Oh my gosh, whips foreign. Throw your darts on my spot. All I want is you.
Good morning. Oh, I got a book. Good morning. Yeah, I got the Gucci's on. You feel me? These is the bifocals, because I'm really blind in real life, but don't see on nobody. Anyways, today is what today is. Tuesday, December 13th. Yesterday was the 12th, Monday, and today is gonna be a nice little adventurous day. You know, I got on my little furra. You know, I'm waiting on my daddy, so I'm supposed to be going to the gun range with my daddy. Yeah, he always be telling me to go to the gun range with him so I can brush up on my skills, you know, because even though I'm out the way, you can never be too safe, you know what I'm saying? You always gotta keep it on you. And I'm concealed to carry, so don't play with me. yeah, anyways, I'm waiting on him. And then after that, I got a lash appointment. I'm gonna see if I can make it. Hopefully I do, but if I don't, I have my eyelashes, you know, to go right on top, because later we're doing photo shoot. I need some new pictures of me, some new raw pictures of me. And this is probably gonna be like the promo, a little snippet for my promo for my, you know, trailer for my YouTube, if it goes as planned. I need to retouch up my little wig. But after this week, I'm probably gonna get me another hairstyle. I think I wanna try that little hairstyle that all the girls been wearing, but I wanna spice mine up. Ooh, here go my daddy. Here you go. I'm call y'all. Child, I'm see y'all when I get in the car with my daddy. What you mean?
No, man.
Daddy, just say hey.
I ain't saying that.
Oh my, it's not that. Oh my, you gotta be cool. Look, this Kiki. Say hey to the camera. Daddy.
Hello. How y'all doing?
Yes.
Too low to the mall, with a couple capos and 100 fucking dimes. Color slaughter gang, you get your shit popped. Draco with a drum, this bitch ain't never go stop. Be on that 9-4 shit, slaughter gang shit, brain stole shit. It's the mob, bitch.
Hey, what's up, man? I'm trying to do a Bear Beauty here. Everything we can.
One's going down, you jerk. The one on top, pull. The one holding it tight. The ones on the side and to the right, that means you was anticipating the shot. Everyone in the middle, you did everything right. You squeeze, you focus, and you didn't pull.
Uncle Kenny, what you got here?
Cause this my off duty. It's all I always carry off duty. I'm just doing like within 5 feet, 7 feet, and I'm just doing head shots. Cause if I pull this weapon out, my life is in danger. It's either I gotta kill him or he gonna kill me. I run this small one so I can like just
headshot only.
Yep.
Headshot
only.
Okay.
So I haven't did this drill in a while, but I'm gonna just see if I can still.
Okay.
You know.
With a stick, any pussy get it hit. Pull up with a stick, let 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 it hit.
No. There you go. Much better. Much.
Yeah, you see him. You see him. Period. I gotta retouch up my hair because I was just laying down. But yeah, get with my girl. I'm gonna tag her name. Bye. So at this point in the video, this is like the last little scene before my photo shoot that I did for my promo video, and basically it's gonna cut off after that. So I appreciate y'all for sticking through. If you stuck all the way through, like and subscribe, and just wait on the next vlog because I'm gonna give y'all a show. Okay, period.
I'm the biggest freak that he's seen thus far. Got the fattest box, white teeth, no bra. Call them other bitches for the hugs and the kisses. When I come around, it's going down like ditches. Deep throw to make them say yabba dabba do. Rockin' to a knockers, middle finger to the coppers. Pussy poppin' on my papa, ha 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 ha, you can't stop her. I'm the reason why these bitches tryna get cute. Only rap bitch, pussy tastes like fruit. Back to the fucking, now we sippin' scissor. I'm about the color of the Geico. Listen, I'm the biggest freak that he's seen us.
Oh, geez. And what else I need to do for the rest?
Pinky with the bar.
the back. Got one wet tongue in my ass. I'm the biggest freak that he's seen thus far. I'm the biggest freak that he's seen thus far. I'm the biggest freak that he's seen thus far. Cause it's just another day in the life, get my salad toast. Get toast, toast, toast to toast, toast, toast to toast, toast, toast to toast. Get toast, toast, toast to toast, toast, toast. My bad bitch, just trying to get toast, toast. Shawty straight to me.